Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to calculate profits on Kucoin margin trade. So just tap on my Kucoin account and officially logged in. I will be just moving in this feature. So from here, if I just tap on the top left corner here, from you can just select the coin, and after you will just tap on the top right corner of three dots. So I will just tap on it, and after here you will see the second option is calculator. So just tap on it, calculator. So when it's load, so from here if you want to buy for long and if you want to sell for short, so example, if I buy for long, so I will just entry price like right now is 98,600. Okay, of my close price when the hit is of 99,900. This is my close price. So of trading for a size like 1 BTC, done, and just tap on to calculate. So this result you will see the cost is 19,720 USDT to invested, and profit you will be gain 1300 USDT. So here is the margin, you will see the 6.59%. So this is how to calculate for buy long and sell short. That's it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.